Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I'm finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So tonight, you guys, it is chicken taco night. And what you see in front of me is everything that we will need to put them together. So I just finished frying up these chicken tenders, and I also just finished putting together these keto-friendly flatbread tortilla shells. And in a minute, I'm gonna roll the footage so that you will see exactly how I put these together. So right now, you guys, let's go ahead and put one of these tacos together and give it a try. So I'll take one of the flatbreads, one of the chicken tenders, and of course you can fill it with whatever toppings that you want. But tonight, you guys, I am going to put some bang bang sauce on mine. And this bang bang sauce is so simple to make. It's nothing but some mayonnaise, some hot sriracha chili sauce, and some rice vinegar. But so delicious. I'm gonna follow it up with some picante sauce, which is just store-bought. And lastly, I thought that a nice touch to these chicken tacos would be some of this homemade coleslaw. And of course, all of these things that I made, I will leave them in the description so you will know how to make them too. But you guys, this is absolutely delicious. And if you've not yet seen the video on how to put this together, I'll leave it in the card above. So I'm gonna put some of this up here. And you guys, there you have it. Just that simple. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. Lord, I thank you. Oh my goodness. This is phenomenal, you guys. Wow. This is out of this world delicious. I kid you not. So I'm not gonna waste any more time talking about it. I wanna let you guys see how I fried up this chicken, how I put these flour tortillas together, and how I put this slaw together, as well as this bang bang sauce, so that you can make some for yourself. And when you do, please do let everybody know just how delicious this is by giving this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below if you've not yet done so. You guys, I said it before and I'll say it again, keto is not boring. So you guys, please do enjoy. Remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged, and I will see you real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. So stay tuned, and I will roll the footage so that you too can prepare this in your kitchen. I'll see you soon. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and get started with these chicken tenders. So what I have in this bowl is some oat fiber, and this serves as the flour for the chicken tenders. And I've already got the pieces of chicken breast cut into strips sitting in the flour. In this bowl, I've got some egg, which has been whisked. And then over here, I've got some whey protein. And the whey protein has been seasoned with the seasonings of my choice. So what I put in here today is some salt, some pepper, some paprika, and some garlic powder. So I am now all set to go ahead and dredge these chicken tenders into the egg wash. Okay, then into the whey protein. And now this is ready. I'll put it aside on my little platter here, and I will move on to the next. Now, in the meantime, I have a skillet on the stove that is preheating with some avocado oil. And all these things that I've shown you today, the oat fiber, the whey protein, and the avocado oil, I actually purchased from Amazon. And this is what the avocado oil looks like. So what I'll do is I will leave in the description the link to all of these things just in case you are interested. And of course, you guys, I've made this recipe before. Absolutely delicious. So today what I am doing is I am cooking them up and I am going to serve them in a different way. And you guys, this toothpick that I'm using, let me tell you, I came across this little hack about 3 weeks or so ago, and I tell you, it works perfectly for what I'm doing here. All right, and this is the last piece. Okay, now we are off to the stove. And then when I come back, we are going to put the flour tortillas together. Okay, you guys, up next are the tortillas. And of course, these are keto friendly as well. And what I have here is the actual mixture. So this is 1 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, and a pinch of salt, and then a 1/2 cup of hot water that I combine together and I let sit for about 10 minutes. And now we are going to roll it out into the size of the flour tortillas that we want. All right, so I just started by pressing it out with my hand, and I have a roller here, and we're just going to roll it out until it is as thin as we want them to be. And you guys, this does not have to be pretty, and the reason being is because I've got a form that I'm going to use to cut them to the circle that is going to form my flour tortilla. So right now my objective is just to roll it out to get it as thin as I need it to be. And what I love about this dough is that it is so pliable. It's very easy to work with. Okay. All right. And that's the thickness that I want it to be. All right. So at this point, I am going to take this sheet off and bring out my mold. Okay. This is a spring form pan that I'm using, but it's perfect for this. And this is 4 inches. And I'm going to cut as many as I can out of this. And then I will take the excess and I will re-roll it and I will cut out the rest. Let's see. Not quite big enough. Okay, so based on the way that I rolled it out, I was able to get 3 out of this. And you guys, this is ready to go over to the skillet, which has preheated. And it is non-stick. I think I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil at the bottom. And I will proceed to cook these probably for a minute, minute and a half on each side. And then these will be ready to go. And now for this coleslaw. It is sweet, tangy, and crunchy. and it is a perfect complement to these chicken tacos. And these are all the ingredients that you will need to make it. And I also have a full version of making this coleslaw. I'll leave it in the description above. And now for this bang bang sauce. This sauce is spicy and it is creamy. And I love it on these chicken tacos. And all you need is some mayonnaise, some hot spicy chili sauce, and some rice vinegar. Mix it together and you have a delicious, hot, spicy bang bang sauce made in the comfort of your home. And just that fast, you guys, you have a delicious sauce. And that's it, everyone. Now you have everything you need to make the best chicken taco that is keto friendly and oh so delicious. Bon appetit.